think some of the benefits around standardization automation is obviously process efficiencies,
Yeah.
right? We're going to have faster availability of treatments because we're now standardizing our approach and we're automating things to the extent possible. There's a huge cost component here. Every organization out there, even in drug development, is a commercial entity, unless it's a non-for-profit. And so there is something around cost effectiveness when you have very streamlined data management approaches, and it also frees up those resources for more innovation and other cost reductions. There's a whole data quality component. Obviously, I think the last poll had a whole thing around data governance and compliance. A lot of that stems from poor data quality, especially GXP, which is relevant in today's discussion. And so, there's an improved data quality to be expected once you have data formats that are standardized, and that will in turn improve the study reliability and so on. And then collaboration, it totally opens up the virtual room across the ecosystem for better coordination, not just between sponsor biopharmas, but our CRO partners that are very important in this ecosystem, and the stakeholders, so that we're all adopting common language, common open standards. But on the other hand, some of the more basic challenges that we need to think about is, I think you mentioned that a few minutes ago, training. There will likely need to be training at a human. I think about people process technology when I think about this, but I also think about culture. And there's got to be investment in the right size technology and infrastructure. As Hassan said as well, AI is not the silver bullet. It is a tool in our toolkit, but do we have the right platforms, the digital platforms, the right ecosystem, the right tools and technologies available to our people in the organization, along with the training? And then there's a huge culture component. There is going to be resistance to change. There's going to be resistance to, is this going to take my role away? Is going to reduce, make me redundant? I think we really need to take the time and create the psychological safety to enable those humans in our organization that are doing all of the important work to leverage the technology that we're putting on their fingertips and give them a sense of security that, this is actually going to make you smarter and faster and more efficient. And I think that's the way to go. And I don't think we should, as a community, undermine the importance of culture and psychological safety in all of these evolutions that's happening around us.